Hello, boys and girls. This is Teacher Grace, and welcome back to our English class. Our lesson for today is Theme 5 Family. Lesson 3 It's Phonics time. Let's sing together.
The alphabet song, the alphabet song. Let's sing the alphabet song. A, B, C. A, B, C. D, E, F. D, E, F. G, H, I. G, H, I. J, K, L. J, K, L. M, N, O. M, N, O. P, Q, R. P, Q, R. S, T. S, T. U, V. U, V. W. W. X, Y, Z. Yeah, yeah. X, Y, Z. That's fun. Let's sing it again. Ready, set, go. A, B, C. A, B, C. D, E, F. D, E, F. G, H, I. G, H, I. J, K, L. J, K, L. M, N, O. M, N, O. P, Q, R. P, Q, R. S, T. S, T. U, V. U, V. W. W. X, Y, Z. Yeah, yeah. X, Y, Z. The alphabet song, the alphabet song. I love the alphabet song.
Wonderful! Take out your student's book and open it on pages 50 to 51. We have 3 letters for today, so let's get ready. The first letter is... What letter is it? Letter M. Do you know the sound of letter M? Let's study together. Listen very carefully.
Letter M. 1. Listen and repeat.
Mm,
Mm.
mm,
Mm.
mm. Number 2.
2. Listen and repeat. Trace the letters.
Mm,
Mm.
mm.
Monster.
Monster.
Mm.
Mm,
Mm.
mm.
Monkey.
Monkey. Did you follow? Great! In number 3, we are going to listen and sing along while we do the action of like seeing a monster, like this. Ah! Okay? Let's sing together.
I can see a monster. Monster. I can see a monster. I can see a monster. Monster. I can see a monster.
Wonderful! Clap your hands. Let's go to number 4. We are going to listen and play.
Clap when you hear the sound.
1.
I, a, d,
2.
a, k, d, b, a, k,
3.
a, mm, ah, mm, mm, k, mm, eh, mm.
Yay! Did you follow? It's fun, right? Wonderful. Our next letter is letter N. Okay, let's study the sound of letter N. Listen very carefully.
Letter N. 1. Listen and repeat.
Mm,
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 mm.
mm. Number 2.
2. Listen and repeat. Trace the letters.
Mm,
Mm,
mm.
mm.
Nose.
Nose.
Mm,
Mm,
mm.
mm.
9.
9. Okay, number 3, we are going to listen and sing along again. Ready?
This is my nose. Nose. This is my nose. This is my nose. Nose. This is my nose.
Great! Now in number 4, we are going to listen and play again.
Jump when you hear the sound.
1.
Eh, mm, a, mm, mm.
2.
Da, b, a, k,
3.
a, a, k, da,
Yay! Wonderful! Now we are on the third letter, which is letter O. Let's study the sound of letter O. Listen very carefully.
Letter O. 1. Listen and repeat.
a,
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 A. Number 2.
2. Listen and repeat. Trace the letters.
a,
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 A.
octopus,
Octopus.
a,
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 A.
orange,
Orange. In number 3, we are going to listen and sing along again with the action of an octopus like this. Okay? Let's sing together.
This is an octopus. Octopus. This is an octopus. This is an octopus. Octopus. This is an octopus.
Okay, clap your hands. And this time we are going to play again.
hop when you hear the sound.
1.
A, a, p, a, s,
2.
d, p, a, z, b, a, a,
3.
a, p, a, A, N, K, S, A, A.
Yay! Wonderful! It's review time! Page 51 of your student's book, letter A. Circle the odd one out. It means you are going to circle the picture with a different sound. Okay? Let's start with number 1. 9. Monkey. Nose. Circle the odd one. Number 2. Nose. Ah, orange. Ah, octopus. Circle the odd one. Letter B. Write the correct beginning sounds. 9. Write it down. Number 2. Oh, orange. 3. Monkey. Letter C. Put a tick or a cross in the box. Listen very carefully, okay? Nose. Tick or cross. Number 2. Oh, monkey. Tick or cross. Number 3. Monster. Tick or cross. Great! It's workbook time! Yay! Open your workbook on pages 46 and 47. Page 46, letter A. Trace the letters. So you're going to trace the big letter M, big letter N, big letter O, small letter M, small letter N, small letter O. Make it beautiful. Letter B. Trace the letters and draw lines. Number 1, big letter M. And go to the picture. This is the monster. And go to the small letter. And then trace. Okay? Number 2 to number 3, do it yourself. Letter C, page 47. Circle the correct beginning sounds. Example, number 1. Monster. Oh, so the correct answer is Okay, number 2. What is this? Oh, Number 3. What is this? Oh, Letter D. Look and write the beginning sounds. Draw lines. What is this? Octopus. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-dum. Octopus. Okay, number 2 and number 3, do it yourself. And we're done with our lesson for today. I hope you enjoy our phonics lesson, the letter M, N, O. Oh. I hope to see you again next time. Goodbye!